so this is going to be Florist then. So I'm going to use 4 swirl colours and my base will be white. And I've just been on Design Seeds, well I've just actually looked at Google Images to create the colours that I wanted. Hopefully you can see this okay. So I want this green and a deep blue, a kind of magenta and a pale pink, and then my white base. So I just typed in Flower Shop Design Seeds and that's what came up on Google Images. So for my colours, for the dark bluey colour I'm mixing this, which is a cerulean and blueberry, and this is from You Make It Up. So this is blueberry from You Make It Up. I don't really use them anymore, but it's what I've got to create this colour. And I'm using cerulean blue, which is by Micah Mama, and I've mentioned those a few times. They're really, really good supplier in the UK. So I just take a label off the little bags they come in and I jar them up and keep the label for my references. And then I'm going to use pistachio green for the green. Again, that's Micah Mama. I think this is similar to Nurture Soap Supply's Jungle Green. It's really, really nice, like tropically green colour. And then this magenta is Micah Mama Plum Purple. Looks like that. I only ever buy about 30 grams at a time of these because I only use, like usually when I do my swirls, I'm only using a teaspoon at a time, so I don't need like, 100 grams or whatever of each one. And then the last one, I want this pale pink, so I'm using Strawberry Red, again by Micah Mama, and this one I've not put too much in because I want it pale, so I've just put a little bit in the bottom of my jug there. So the rest of the base will be white. So I'll save that for a little while. Okay, we'll get on to the making next. I need to pour my liquid oils into my melted solid oils, and then my lye into those. I'm going to stick blend that up. Doesn't matter, I've got white from the last soap on there, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm just going to pour my colours. I only want a little bit, whoops, I only want a little bit of soap in each one because I just want it to swirl, and I'm not making in my big moulds at the moment, so let me just pour this off. Just need enough to just go up and down the mould a couple of times, like that, and then the white base. Maybe a smidge more. And I'm going to use the white again in the rest of my batch. So I'm just going to stir the palest colour first, and I'll give it a little stick blend before we go. That's nice, that's giving me a nice pink. It's not quite as pale as I wanted it, but that's okay. And we got green. Might not have to stick blend at all. And then we've got this cerulean blue and blueberry. Oh, that's nice. It's made like a petrol blue. Almost looks like a natural indigo colour. That's really nice. Wow, I wasn't expecting that to work as well as it did. So yeah, let's hope it stays good in soap. It doesn't go brown or something. And then our purple or magenta. sure there's no clumps. Okay, now I'm just going to mix up my white. So in the white base I'm going to use about 5, 10, 15. See what that does. And there you go again, no water to disperse it. Also, by doing that, it doesn't make the base thicken up. Like if I use some cold water with my titanium powder, it speeds up crisp. So by adding no water, it doesn't happen. Okay, I just need to get my fragrance. I hope that this doesn't discolour, because I've not soaked this before. It's a funny colour, quite yellow, but hopefully it won't discolour. And then oh my goodness, oh my lord, it smells like rose, green stems, oh my god. Jeez, it smells so good. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to stick blend a bit more because it's thinned it a little. Stick blend my pink. Use the dregs of the white left over to get that a bit more pale. Maybe. And the purple. And green. Okay, so let's get to pouring this then. So with my other mould, I've taped this down with some duct tape. It's not quite as good as the other tape, but it'll do. Okay, I need to get this poured because it's thickened just a little bit. Not too bad though. Just about be able to get it poured before it thickens up too quick. It's not too bad. Okay, so let's go with green. Do some high pours in there. And we'll go with the pale pink, I think. Yeah, it's thickening a bit, but blue. And magenta. And just stir that because it's thickened rather a lot. Like that, look. Oh well, that's okay. Whatever we get, don't we? Okay. Chopstick. Very quickly. Like that. Very quickly. Don't you mess up on me now. Okay, now I want some of these colours. Don't panic. Don't you panic. See how some thicken up quicker than the others? Weird. I always find that weird with micas. It's like I just never understand it. Why some thicken and some don't. And the green's alright as well. Notice I've gone quiet because I'm stressing. It's not too bad. It's not like, you know, a real fast mover. It's just moved faster than I wanted it to, but it's not, it's all right, it's workable. That magenta definitely thickened up quicker than the rest, so. Okay, now, spoon. Just need to wipe that off because I want it clean. To do my thingy. Just wipe down there. I can't stand bits. Can't stand soap everywhere. Nor on there. Don't like it. Okay, so I'm just going to, oh my lord, that's really like gone thick. Ew. Come on. Yeah, that's not going to work as well, but when it's cut, it'll probably look just fine. It's just that top bit didn't want to play nice, did it? Come on. Get back. Okay, I think that'll have to do. Actually, it's going to look really nice when it's cut. You can kind of see. You just bring that bit in there. Okay, that'll do. I'll tidy up these little bits. And leave some pictures at the end and scoop the rest out of these things. So, there we go, Florist. We did it, we got there. It'll be lovely when that's cut up. Alright, see you later. Okay guys, I'm kind of shocked, but I think this is ready to cut. It's only been like a few hours since I made it, but it's rock hard. So I'm going to try an end piece. And if it cuts okay, I'll continue. If it doesn't cut okay, I won't continue. But I'm just going to have a look at what we got. So here is my soap log. I'm just going to make sure that I've got you in focus. Okay, I'm just going to see very quickly. I'm not wearing any gloves, so you'll have to just deal with that, okay? So just want to see my end piece. Yeah, it's pretty much there. Okay. That's so strange. I haven't had a soap do that for a long time, but it did heat up and thicken up pretty quickly, but I didn't think I'd be cutting it today, but that's a good thing, so I can get this video made quicker. Now, yeah, that's going through like butter. So, there we go. It's really pretty, but I can't believe I've managed to cut it that fast. So, I'm just going to do a couple because it could mean that we might get to the centre and it's really, really soft. So I'm just going to do a few bars and then I'm going to leave it till tomorrow so I can come back, because the coconut one is not ready to cut right now. But this is literally going through there like butter. Incredible. So there we go. I should leave some pictures. That purple's really, really nice. That was dark plum, or was it called plum? Dark plum, I think. So yeah, it's come up really nice, but I'm going to leave the rest till tomorrow. It just is going to save me maybe just one more. Yeah, I will just be able to upload this today. So today is Friday, so if this goes up tonight, you'll see it. If it doesn't go up till tomorrow, then whatever, but you know, I'm going to try and get it up for you. There's my swirls. So for that thickening up, we've managed to still get really nice chopstick swirls in there. So yeah, pleased with that. So I'm going to leave it there and I will see you for the next video, and I'll be cutting coconut tomorrow. So I'm just going to leave that to do its thing on the side here. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful soap. So that was Florist. Okay, so I'll see you for the next one. See ya!